The monsoon session of Maharashtra Assembly off to a stormy start. High drama triggered by the government's move to withdraw the controversial GR on the three-language policy. The ruling alliance insists the rollback was a strategic move to avoid political misinterpretation. But the opposition has declared it a clear win for their stand.
This is a victory against the government of Maharashtra, who's trying to implement as is basis. Like if something is sent from Delhi, go and implement in your state. So this was not accepted by people of Maharashtra. We are not against Hindi, but we are against making Hindi compulsory for primary education.
This slow poisoning आहे. हे हळूहळू एक या गोष्टी आतमध्ये पेरायच्या आणि ते खास करून महाराष्ट्राच्याच नशिबी येणार. बाकीची राज्य कुठची ऐकणार नाहीत आणि हा प्रयत्न त्यांनी करून पाहिला, परंतु तो त्यांच्याच मला असं वाटतं अंगाशी आला.
Was it the looming threat of a massive protest that pushed the Mahayuti alliance into damage control mode? The government maintains that it remained in full command throughout.
नहीं, सरकार बैकफुट पे कैसे आई? सरकार का तो स्वागत कर रही हूँ मैं कि उन्होंने निर्णय किया. ये निर्णय जब हुआ था उसके बारे में ज़रा जानकारी लेनी चाहिए, कब हुआ था और किसने किया था. मैं तो देवेंद्र जी का अभिनंदन करूंगी और ये पूरा श्रेय उनका है कि उन्होंने दोनों अलायंस से बात कर ये निर्णय लिया.
What is being told to the people of Maharashtra is absolutely lie, because Hindi was compulsory right from the year 1971. Wrong message has gone to the Maharashtra people, and that is to be taken out from their minds.
Despite being under attack for approving the Mashirkar committee report during the MVA regime, Uddhav Thackeray hasn't held back. Even after the GR withdrawal, he continues to lash out at the ruling dispensation.
आता सुद्धा येणारच आहेत, पण अगदी भाजपामधले एसएनसी गटातले, अजित पवार गटातले अनेक मराठी प्रेमी हे सहभागी होणार होते आणि होणारही आहेत. त्यांना सुद्धा मी खास धन्यवाद देतोय की मातृभाषेचं प्रेम हे पक्षाच्या पलीकडे असलं पाहिजे.
The senior Thackeray had already announced July 5 as a day of celebration. All major opposition parties, including Raj Thackeray, have expressed their support for the event.
हा जो निर्णय आला त्याच्यानंतर संजय राऊतांचा मला फोन आला होता आणि त्यांनी सांगितलं की आपल्याला काय करायचं पुढे. म्हटलं आपल्याला मोर्चा तर रद्द करायला लागेल आता. त्यांनी म्हणाले की आपण एक विजयी मेळावा आपण घ्यायला पाहिजे. म्हटलं घेऊया. म्हणाले मग 5 तारखेला आपण जाहीर केलं तर 5 तारखेला घेऊया का.
We will celebrate, but we have to be alert, because I don't take it.
You don't trust
that this? I don't trust this government and its political moves.
The government has cancelled the much talked about GR making Hindi the general third language. They've also set up a new committee to study this entire matter in a much more detailed manner. On the other hand, the opposition has called for a preparatory, a big rally on the 5th of July, making sure that the unity of the Marathi Manus stays intact. With camera person Praveen Ji Rohit, this is Anuj Raite reporting for NDTV from Mumbai.